We look absolutely ridiculous. We have backpacks on backpacks. We're finally checked out of our first Airbnb. We're locking it up right now. And then we're headed to bus station to go to Cancun. We're just waiting around for a taxi.
You better get out in the corner.
Can we get a taxi? Gracias, gracias. Have a great day. Thank you. We finally made it on the bus. We got lucky because we had a bus leaving like immediately. So as soon as our taxi let off, she paid. And then we got on the bus. We didn't have to wait at all. So, how much was it?
$30.
$30.
It's because you didn't buy the tickets online. They're only $6 online.
Tip: buy the tickets online. $6 online, $30 in person. Together, of course. So $15 per person. Not bad. Courtney got pooped on. We just made it to our next Airbnb after a eventful bus ride. Courtney getting pooped on was hilarious. Some guy helped us out and gave us some baby wipes. So this is the entrance to our next Airbnb. Looks really nice, and there's like a really cute dog over here. He came out and greeted us. He's right there. He's so cute. So yeah, their gate's open though, but I guess he's trained enough to not go inside or outside. All right, house tour, or Airbnb tour. Front door, front window. It's really cool the way they have it now. Just bounce you guys off the glass. It's really cool how they have it decorated though. Courtney is currently in the bathroom and there's a bidet in there. Or a bidet. Kitchen, bedroom. It's okay. I mean, it's not too bad. The balcony, it's very tropical looking though. Bed. This one has a spare bedroom in there, but we're not gonna use that. What? Look at this bidet. Oh my god. Get that thing down. The front porch is very nice. It's very it's really cool. I like the aesthetic, yeah, that's the word. So you look down on our entrance and then we walk up the staircase over there to over here, and Courtney's trying to figure out how to set up this hammock. Nice. Is it comfy?
Yeah, actually.
You can sit out here and read a book.
Yeah.
Everywhere we go, we find a kitty.
He doesn't look nice.
This one looks like, hey, this is an old cat or sick. One or the other. We might just witness him pass out right now. You okay, little guy?
He looks wobbly.
Moving on. Puppy dog is back out to say hi. Oh, nope, short-lived. I love how that it's just open and he just comes out and he's like, no, I'm good. All right, we found the pool. Check. Next line of business. Get our bearings. Get some McDonald's.
Oh.
Courtney and I found a skate park on our way, on our walk to McDonald's. Over there. We're gonna go check it out. See what these little kids can do. Finally made it. McDonald's! This one's under construction. Disregard. The food still tastes great, I'm sure.
We'll find out.
Oh yeah, we're hungry.
So we are here about to dive in Cancun at the Aqua Fun Marina. Dylan's feeling a little bit sick today. May have a stomach bug, we're not sure just yet. It's early brewing, but we really wanted to dive underwater at the underwater museum, so that's what we're going to be doing. So I just really want you to see the massive crocodile, alligator, I don't know. It's a crocodile.
Sophie?
I want Marie to see this.
Oh my god.
Thing's huge.
So that's great.
We got them everywhere in Florida, but like this one is huge.
That's one thing. That's one thing. The owner of this place,
Don't like them?
don't like it that Hello there, buddy. I don't know.
Oh, they get bit. I see. Okay.